Punta tayo sa birthday ni Summer Rosebell. Yan. First birthday niya. Na-invite tayo sa birthday, guys. Yan. Welcome back to my channel, Simply Nancy. Thank you. Yan. Samahan niyo po ako sa ating vlog for today. Ayan. Ito ang venue nila sa clubhouse ng Orchard. Ayan, guys. Pasok tayo. Wow. Yan, clubhouse po ito. Yan, clubhouse ng Orchards. Saan bong? Ay. Tara. Tara, baba tayo. Sa baba na yung kanilang venue. Meron. Oo. Parang sa atin din ba, di ba, sa Pinas? Meron din mga clubhouse. Saan daw? Dito? Ah, dito. Tara. Ang cute naman. Ayan, guys. Dito na tayo sa birthday. Hello! Hello, hello.
Birthday celebrant.
Ayan po ang lola ni Summer. Lola talaga. Hindi pala ano nga tawag? Moms. Moms. Si Moms at yun naman si Pops.
Wow, partner, ilang nakakipot ang napaka-bonggang first birthday party.
Yes, and I like that theme. It's covered pink. Like my microphone.
Nakaka-good vibes no kasi it's summer. So anyway, so I'd like to introduce myself again. My name is Chris Diva. I'm Jonathan and welcome to Summer Rosebell first birthday. So tayo ng 80th birthday. Anyway, so how are you, partner? I'm perfectly fine, partner. How are you?
I feel so petite right
Wow.
now.
Anong tawag sa Beanie na nakakrap ka? Beanie the Pooh. Si Beanie the Pooh. Anyway, sa lahat muna nandito, let's enjoy the rest of this day. Kung may mga bata, let them play the games later. Wag mo natin silang hayaan nakatutok sa cellphone because party is once in a lifetime to be attended.
Yes. And then later after the program, partner, we would like all the kids to go outside and play on the playground.
Oo, with permission of the parents. Siyempre, ang palabasi mo, yung mga parents ayaw mabasa yung anak. Diba?
Alright.
Move on. And of course, the celebrant, Summer Rosebell Boulevard. Princess. Once again, palakpakan naman dyan! Gusto na tulad si Summer, sabi nyo na nangyayari. Ayan! Hello, Ruben, Annalyn. Oo, okay lang. Sabi ko na ingay yung bata. There you go. Ayan, today we are celebrating the first birthday of our dear Rose Bell.
You know what, I like her name, Summer.
Oo nga, no? Parang nakaka-good vibes, no? Parang
Was she born in summertime?
Oo, kaya partner.
So if I was born in winter, my name is going to be Winter. Or Elsa.
Ayan, at dahil birthday po, sabayin nyo kami sa pag-awit ng happy birthday. DJ, please play the button. Everybody sing with us! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Summer. Happy birthday to you. One more time, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
everyone has plans, especially during summertime weekend. Thank you so much for celebrating with us today, and I hope that we'll all have fun today. Thank you.
Dade.
Nasabi na paningin sa iyo, ha?
Ikaw naman yung iba din.
Dati.
Once again, pala po natin. Guban family. Short message so para sa ating celebrant.
After summer, sana lang siya mabait at mananamala tayong bata at masunurin sa mga magulang. And for the parents, thank you for inviting us.
Oh.
Happy birthday,
I'm gonna go to this table.
Kilala niyo ba yung Dini?
Ito na po! DJ, nakasin natin yan! Contestant number 1. O, sige. Ayan, Diyos ko, pa-trophy ko to, ha? Kagangin na to, ha? May prize, okay?
Alright, let's give it up to Fly!
Ano pa ka naman dyan? Eh! Wala pa naman. Na-excited kami. Solo ka na. Solo. Solo ha. Alone. Ano pa naman dyan? Eh! Ayun! Sinasabi ko nga pa. Wala ka naman yan!
Dito tayo.
Thank you, bye.
Dito tayo kay Kuya, kay Jaren.
Jaren. Dito tayo, Jaren. Hindi, ikaw na gusto namin eh. Tapos gusto rin si Kuya ha.
Ano, girlfriend, dito ka.
Dito ka. Dito ka. Sasayawan ka niya ha. Para ma-inspire naman siya.
Girlfriend, video mo siya parang siya.
Hindi. Gusto ko sabay sila partner. Siyempre, mag-jowa nagtutulungan yan. Para yung confident nasa kanya, okay? DJ! Yay! Para pa naman! Okay, mag-jowa. Sige ha. Sila na. Para pa naman! Hey! Wow! Galing! Parang sa dance lang naman yan, sabi. Para pa naman yan! Wow! Pwede. Thank you so much! Sige, dito kami kay gentleman.
Asa din dalawa? 3, 4, 5.
Oh, good job! So, palakpakan na kayo, ha? Sabi ko sa inyo. Nagkakasama na kami buti na lang.
Hi! What is your name?
Naptapa mo.
Okay, your timer starts now.
Happy birthday, Summer.
7! Good job! Sinong leading natin? We have 11, tama?
Hindi, ano lang siya? Ayan,
11, tama. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Okay, we will play, alright? Ready? Starts now!
Happy birthday, Summer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yung malibong isa, sino po ang mga magulang ng batang ito? Ano? Ayaw sumama sa akin, ikot mo siya dali. Sit!
Okay, may ano tayo sa... Ayaw naman.
Ayaw na po, sige po, good siya, sensya na po.
Okay.
Ay, good job.
Alright.
Okay, stand up kids, come on. Alright, this time, who can bring me a credit card?
Credit card! What?
Credit card!
It has to be credit card, not a Visa debit, ha?
Wala Visa debit, ha?
Okay, you're out for now. Okay, bring your credit card to your parents.
Check. Ah, credit
One more chair here. Dito ka muna, babe.
Nakaupo na siya. Okay.
Alright.
Credit card or buy. Okay, stand up please. Bring back the credit card to your parents. Diyos ko, magkano ba yung iba doon? Kasi papakunin namin yung mga bata. Oo, parang tulog sila mamaya. Eto na nga po. Okay, this time, who can bring me a family photo?
Family photo! 5!
We have 3 chairs left. 4! Family photo.
Come on! 3!
2! 2! Show it.
Okay. Who's this?
Where are you here? Nasa isa dito sa picture.
What is the family photo?
Wala ka siya doon sa picture. Tapos family. What's your name, sir? Oh. Nancy, do you know the member? Can you name those?
Mom, Dad.
What is the name of your mom? Ako, hindi ko na lang. That's okay. Alright, bring back the cell phone. Bring back the cell phone, please. Be careful, okay? Sinasabi ko kayo, mga parents, magpakilala kayo sa anak nyo. Baka kayo si Josephine. Alright, this time, bring me a parents out there, red lipstick. Red lipstick. Red lipstick. Red lipstick. Okay. Okay, is it red? Can you open it? And then try it on. Just get it red. Red. Ay, wala. That's okay. Okay, sorry. And sa kanya siya red. Ate, fuchsia to. Alright. Good job. Okay, this time, partner, isa na lang sila. Nung nilalong kayo, pinalagay pa sa amin. Alin ba? Okay, this time, bring me your father! Bring me your father! Alin nga, ang magkatalo dito yung dalawang father. Yes. Dito ka lang ha, dito lang po kayo, dalawang father ang pinadala. Okay, eto na, magbibini tayo. Okay, so, sir, magbibini po tayo, kailan niyo po ang bini? Bini ba? Ito, mapakilala ko sa'yo. Sige, tugtugin natin yan. Alright, DJ! Paano ba kayo naman dyan? Gagaya kayo dalawang dati kung sino magaling. Hindi ah. Magano na po kadali yung start, sir. Sir, tuturuan ka namin, sir. Or pa lang to, Paul. Isasabi ulit na ulit. Ay, sasabayin na natin. Para maturuan. Dalawa na sila. Malaki po ang price dito, kaya po malaki ang nagigirapan natin. Opo. Ganyan nyo lang kami, sir, ha? Sir, kailangan sa mga anak nyo, ha? Okay. Palakpakan naman dyan! Ay, DJ! Basta makuha lang po yung konting step, okay na yun. Si-producean mo! Sabi niya, ang hirap manalo dito. Proud na proud ang asawa mo ha. Galing-galing ka na. Magsalamin tayo, sir ha. Oo. At dahil ngayon, magbabayad ng mga ito. Alright! Palakpakan naman niya si Carlo! Hey! Yes! Kumalo ka! Okay, dalawang ay galing! Akala ko taga-TNT si ate! Okay, this time with action. Siopaw is like this. Come on, guys. Siopaw. Siomai. Two hands, please. Dalawa ha. And suman. Siopaw. Siomai. Suman. Siopaw. Suman. With words. Again. Siopaw. Ang galing! A little bit faster. Mami, wala pong siopaw. Mama, meron. Okay, isang run-through partner. Ready? Go! Ay, again. Parang happy mo rin. One word at a time. One word at a time. Okay, ready? Go! Ayan, nawala ka, Mami. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, ha? Kanina siopaw, ngayon ang siuma. Ako naman dito, ha? 1, 2, 3 starts with you. With action, ha? Okay, this time magtatanggal po kami ng medyo medyo tanga. Naganda mo pa, grabe ka naman. Okay ha, magtatanggal na po kami hake. Run through, 1, 2, 3, starts up. Ano? Tumatalon yung mic ha, minsan nagkabang-kabang ha. Okay, ulit nga. Again. Ako nang mauna dito. Isa na tayo. Suma. Okay, partner, tatanggal na kami talaga ha. Ready, go. Ay, opo. Mali natin. Gusto nyo dito, ang short na may mataas ang competition dito. Partner, ready, go. One, opo. Madali natin ka teacher pa sa araling panlipunan. Isay ka pa naman. Okay, ready, starts now. Suman ka natin. Opo, ti. Ay, tatil ba siya? Oo, kasi galing sa kanya dapat ano na yung iba. Hindi na kayo kinig. Compress mo. Okay, ready? Go! Countdown starts now! Teka lang, hinapin niya yung Shamaw. Pasok pa rin siya. Pero hinapin niya yun, ha? Pasok pa rin siya ng bubuhay. Bubuhay, Private Airlines. Okay, countdown starts now! Gusto na kainin? Patimbaw, opo. Salamat po, te. Okay. Ready? Alin may pastor? Ready? Go! Again, no, no. Ay, naka-ready na pala. With energy, okay, ready? Go! Shama! 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 Hindi mo ako mabulat ko. Ito si Marimaro. Naging din ako ng booking. Oo, diba? Mukha ako na sa reno. Saan doon yung galaw? Okay. Okay, ready? Start, stop! Ay, opo! Nagagaganong ka eh. Pagkainin? Oo nga, grabe. Okay na. Okay, ready? Go! Dati na yung dalawang kamukha ko. Grabe. Malitit na mukha parang munggo. Oo, no? Crapterisin. Munggo, tapos ito yung sa bigas. Okay, ready? Start, stop! Ah! Sorry! Ano ba naman naman natin? Asa na ako? One more game for kids. Bring me a! For girls, ha? For girls. Candies! Candies! Five! Masaya mo nga nga nyo. Sabi niya ko lang talagang bata. Ang laban na to. Kasama niya si Bako. Susuko. Ibibigay ko sa... At kasama niya si... Mami Judah. Hindi pala. Hindi yun, yung asawa mo ka. Ang saya-saya ng party. Sir, natuwa ko itong alam ko, susuntukin niyo ako. Pambabae. Size 1, may na kayo. Size 1, tas ako sa... Ididiwan? Di ba ganyan nyo? Di ba sa baklaran? Binagsak, ididiwan, size 2. Okay, girls lang po ang pwedeng lumapit. Okay, who can bring me a face powder? Face powder! Face powder! Five! Sige, gamitin mo nga. Sige nga, mami, ilagay mo nga kayo. Kulay mo talaga. Good job! Palakpakan naman natin yan. Ay, Diyos ko. Ang hirap maging bakla. Lamuan. Kaya kayo mag-isip-isip kayo. Asa na si Mami? Si Mix ba ang tito pa? Umalis na po may Mix pa.
Dito ka! Huwag ka tumayo! Dito ka lang. Tignan mo muna! You haven't seen it yet! Tignan mo!
Pilit ka. Pilit ka.
How much
Christy.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, when I lay sleeping, I dreamt I had don't forget to scream. Good job, Summer. Skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Please don't take my sunshine away. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, give a round of applause to Summer Rosebell Buban!
Palakpakan naman natin yan.
And of course,
Rosebell is gusto ko naman na lumaki ka na malusog, happy of course, yung pinaka-importante, diba? Diba? Happy, and always remember, Papa always got your back no matter what. I love you. Happy birthday.
And then for me naman, my birthday message for Summer. Of course, sana lumaki mabait ang aking anak. Masunod rin sa magulang, and matalino, mananampalataya, and I just hope and pray and wish, of course, na lumaking sweet si Summer just as now. Kung gano'n siya ka-sweet and very malambing na baby. And also, aside from that, just like what I did when we got married, I also wanted to say my wishes to my kaiha through a song. So, it's called I'll Be There. Yan, komisari yung lyrics, Kuya Richie. Okay lang ba sa screen? Okay. So, I hope you like it, anak. This one is for you.
alright, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to Mix Buban. Once again, let's go down to Mommy Mix!
Happy birthday song!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday, happy summer. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Miss Carlo, in the bottom of your heart, please make a wish for your daughter as she blows the candle. Together as a family. One more time, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.